Hey guys, thanks for checking out my video. Today I'll be unboxing the Elegoo Mars resin printer. Pretty excited about this printer because I don't have any resin printers. This is my first one, so I'll be unboxing it, setting it up, seeing how the first prints look. This is the green limited edition one from my manufactory. Resin printing has become really popular now this past year because the prices have dropped so much compared to typical FDM printing. You can get really fine resolution, so I'm excited to see how it turns out. I do want to note, when I did receive this package, it did look a little damaged from shipping on the side, but hopefully it's all fine on the inside. And then the resin printed separately, or shipped separately from the unit itself. I'll open it up, we'll do a little first test print and see how it goes. It does look like it's pretty well packaged. A lot of styrofoam and plastic packaging in here. And this does look really sharp, this green color. Looks like we've got the user manual on top. Looks like it comes with a toolkit, and I did read online that it had a safety gloves and everything you'll need because you don't want to get this resin on your skin. So there are some safety precautions. First impressions right out of the box, it looks really nice, really well put together. And right here you can see it's got the My Manufactory limited edition. Okay, so in here it does say that it has a couple pairs of gloves and a mask because, again, the resin printing is, you have to be more cautious. Got all the plastic off. I connected the power cable to the printer and power supply. Now it says to please insert the build platform, fasten the rotary knob and loosen the screws. So right now I put on the build platform, fasten the rotary knob and loosen the screws, then remove the resin tank, remove the sticker, and then put a sheet of paper below. And now we're going to be moving the Z-axis to 0. So I'm all set up now, and I'm going to be putting on the safety equipment that they provided. They have a mask and rubber gloves. Again, you don't want to get this resin on your skin or breathe in the odor. I'm going to be doing the test print that they provided on the USB, and we'll see how it turns out. So our test print just finished, and this is actually the second test print that I'm trying. The first one failed. It looked like maybe the print had gotten stuck to the bottom near the projector. When I went to go check on it, it looked like it had just fallen in or it had come off the plate somehow. But this is the second one, and it does look like both prints did come out nice. But this is also the part where I'm going to be taking the lid off, and I'll definitely be needing the gas mask and the gloves because you don't want to get the vapors or the resin on your skin. So I'll be taking it out, doing some cleaning, and then next will be UV curing to finish up the print. But I do want to suggest definitely having a air purifier or HEPA filter if you're in an enclosed space. So definitely have ventilation, open up some windows, because as I learned from the first print, the fumes are pretty noticeable and it does get quite messy. So here we go. Okay, so our test pieces are done, and I want to say the print quality on these are insane. You can really see there's a little staircase inside of this rook. There's a double helix. You can see very fine details. And you don't see any layer heights that you would normally see with an FDM printer. Now I'm able to touch these because I let them cure for a couple days, and I used a UV lamp where it was on this turntable, and with a little cardboard box you can make your own little UV curing station after cleaning with the alcohol. So I think overall the print quality is really good. I mean, you can see, I don't know if you'll be able to see on here, but I'll take some photos, and you can see the lettering and just how fine this detail is. You're not going to be able to find this kind of quality on an FDM machine. That's why this Elegoo Mars resin printer is really remarkable for the price point that it is. I think that's the end of the review. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out some more videos I'll be posting soon. I'll see what this machine can really do. We're making some more intricate designs, but overall, with this test piece, I'm really impressed with the quality on this machine. Check it out on the My Mini Factory website. I think they're running a sale right now for this special edition Elegoo Mars. You get some cool stuff that comes with it, discounts on their store, and comes in this cool green color. Anyways, thanks for watching.